Local service ads are powerful, but most businesses are leaking leads by not replying fast enough. In this video, I'll show you how to use conversational AI to instantly respond to every LSA message and phone call, even after hours, and dramatically increase your booked jobs without increasing payroll. If you're running Google local service ads, you're probably already paying for every lead that comes in, whether it's a message or a phone call or a booking. But here's the brutal truth. Most businesses are losing LSA leads, not because they're too expensive, but because they're not replying fast enough. According to Google, the businesses that respond within 30 seconds are the ones that win the most jobs. And unless you've got 24/7 phone staff, that's probably not you. But today, I'm going to show you how to fix that immediately using conversational AI or voice AI with texting and chat. No new hires, no new phone systems, just one simple change that can transform your LSA performance overnight. Let's get into it. First, understand the problem. LSA leads are incredibly time sensitive. When someone sends a message or makes a call through your ad, they're usually contacting 3 to 4 other pros at the same time. So if you're not the first to reply, or if you miss that call, you're toast. That's why instant response is the #1 factor that separates top performing LSA pros from everyone else. Second, enter conversational AI. Now imagine this. A lead messages you at 10:30 p.m. Your AI replies in 2 seconds with a friendly, personalized response. It answers basic questions, qualifies a lead, and even offers to schedule an appointment or do a warm transfer. And if it's a phone call, the AI can pick up the call if your team doesn't answer in 20 seconds, greet the customer, and start the intake process on the spot. That's not science fiction. That's what we're doing right now for local businesses across the country.
Hi, this is Lily, an automated assistant from law firm. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to talk to an attorney, please.
Before we proceed, are you calling about a DUI case?
Yeah.
Thank you for confirming. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Jason.
Thank you, Jason. Could you please provide the best phone number for the attorney to reach you?
Yeah, that'd be 561-247-85.
Thank you, Jason. Just to confirm, is your phone number 561-247-85? Is that correct?
Yeah.
We've built a conversational AI agent that handles voice and text leads through one phone number, responds instantly, and sounds so natural that customers don't even know it's an AI. Third, why it works. Here's why this crushes it with LSA. Google prioritizes fast responders. We've seen higher placement and cheaper costs per lead for clients using AI to reply instantly. Number 2, more booked jobs from the same ad spend. When you respond in seconds, especially after hours, you win leads that your competitors don't even see. Number 3, you don't need to hire extra staff. The AI doesn't sleep, doesn't call in sick, and never misses a message. Fourth, the hybrid option. Some business owners still want a human to pick up first, no problem. With our hybrid strategy, a human has 20 seconds to answer the phone. If they don't, the AI picks up immediately. That way, no call goes unanswered, and your conversation rate stays sky high. And the best part? You can train your AI using your own website, documents, or prompts. By the way, if you want to see exactly how the AI works, you can just text us at 619-304-5155. So here's a takeaway. You're already paying for the lead. The question is, are you capturing it? If not, conversational AI can help you respond faster, qualify better, and book more jobs automatically. Text the word audit to 619-304-5155 for a free audit of your Google Business Profile page or local service ads page, or visit accelerateyourmarketing.com to see how we can help you plug the leaks in your LSA pipeline.